Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. A former leader of the main opposition in Zimbabwe, Nelson Chamisa, has told his followers to ignore the sideshows, lies and falsehoods are being circulated by the opposition. Writing in a statement, he said, "Dear Zimbabwe, fellow citizens, ignore the sideshows, lies and falsehoods are being circulated by our opposition. Stay focused. I am fully aware of the huge responsibility and heavy burden upon my shoulders, and I will never let you down or fall short. Bear in mind that not all strategic decisions are shared openly or with the opposite team. Information is a strategic resource never to be shared recklessly. As for you who believe and support, worry not, fear not, doubt not, and more importantly, be confused not. Be clear and of good cheer. You'll soon appreciate the wisdom of my ways. Victory and success never come cheap. Every action I take, every decision I make is focused on achieving our great and glorious future for Zimbabwe. My hands are on the deck, my eyes are on the vision and mission. The struggle continues and I remain steadfast, fully committed to the work that cannot pause for idle distractions. God bless you abundantly. God bless Zimbabwe. Forever and always, Nelson Chamisa." The statement ends. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.